Every line began as an idea. My journey started here. Before I ever touched the sea, I learned the language of hands. Wood shaped in silence. Steel measured to perfection. They polished details most people would never notice, because true craftsmanship was never built for attention, only for time. Some saw production. I saw pride, measured in millimeters, patience, and years of experience. I was never built to stay in the marina.